A very good morning, students. I will discuss the topic of scope of statistics. This is a new topic and it is a very important for 6 marks. Study of scope of statistics include by nature of statistics, subject matter of statistics, limitation of statistics. Here, nature of statistics means the basic question arises whether statistics is a science or an art. Professor Tippett has rightly observed statistics are both a science as well as art. Science means statistics study numerical data in a scientific or systematic way. What is science? Statistics as a science means we will study numerical data in a scientific way or systematic way or manner. And art means statistics relate to quantitative data to real life problem. How you will use that data for in real life. It is called as art. By using statistical data, we are able to analyze and understand real problem much better than otherwise. Thus, the problem of unemployment in India is a more meaningful analysis when the size of unemployment is spotted with quantitative data. Means, if we are taking the example of unemployment data, unemployment problem in our country, then we will find out with the help of statistics, means related with numerical data, and then we will arrange in a systematic way. It is called as art. So we will say that statistics is a science as well as art. Now, subject matter of statistics. There is a two component of subject matter. First one is a descriptive and second one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics means we will describe the data. It gives information that describe the data in some manner. Descriptive word is taken from describe. कि आपने फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन लिखा होता है कि इसको डिस्क्राइब करो, वर्णन करो. सो स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या करते हैं? टू डिस्क्राइब. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ मार्क्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, then descriptive statistics will define with the help of average mean. We will calculate median, mode, measurement of dispersion, mean deviation, standard deviation, and so on. Now, descriptive statistics is used when you estimate average height of standard student in your school. Descriptive statistics is when you find the marks in science, mathematics of the student in all classes and intimately related to each other. Here we will describe the marks of the student. How many students have scored 50% marks, 90% marks, 85% marks. It can be described with the help of descriptive statistics. Now second point is